Let's do this example together. Make a box and whisker plot that represents the ages of members of a backpacking expedition in the mountains. Okay, so first we're going to put our data in order. So the lowest number I'm seeing is 18. And notice as I do this, I'm actually going to cross out my actual data. So now I'm looking for low 20s. I have 22, 22. Okay, so 22 and 22. I'm going to cross those out. And then 24. And the nice part of doing this with pencil is if I make a mistake, I can correct it as I go. I have 25, 25, 25, 25. Oh, another 25. 27, 28, then 30, 30, 30, okay, 30, 30, 30. Now a last check before I actually move on. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 data points originally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 when I put them in order. That's just a nice way to check to see did you get all the data. So the very first thing I'm going to do is find the median. And I'm going to do this lightly because of what we're going to do. So I'm going to cross out the lowest 3, cross out the top 3, cross out the next 2, cross out the next 2. So I have 2 in the middle. So my median occurs between these 2. And the median's the average of 25 and 25. So the median is 25. And it splits it up into, this is the data below it. There are 6 observations below it, and there are 6 observations above that median. Okay, so I have my median. Next, I need to find the first quartile, which is the median of the lower half. So I did a slash going up, so now I'm going to do a slash going down. Lowest, highest. Second lowest, second highest. And I have 2 in the middle here, so my Q1 is going to be the average of these 2, 22 and 24. My Q1 is 23. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Lowest, highest, second lowest, second highest. I have to find the average of 28 and 30. My Q3 is 29. And then the only other 2 numbers of my 5-number summary I haven't tagged yet is my minimum is 18 and my maximum is 30. So now I'm going to label this. So I have to go from 18 to 30, and let's see, if I start this at like 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. So I could start this at like, I don't know, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, because I'm just doing the number line. And this is the, I'm going to label the axis just using what's in the problem itself. And the problem itself says ages of the members of a backpacking expedition. So I'm going to label it as ages of backpackers. So now, my median was 25. That's right here, a vertical line segment. My Q1 was 23. That's right here. My Q3 was 29. That's right here. And then I create that box. Now keep in mind, even though these are different widths, this part of the box is 25% of the data. This part of the box is 25% of the data. Because if you look, each of these contains 3 people. Okay, so now my minimum was 18. I'll put a dot and then connect it to my box with a whisker. And my maximum was 30. A dot, connect it to the box with a whisker. So, although the question doesn't ask, it just asks for this. This whisker is 25% of the box. The left-hand side of the box is 25% of the data of the backpackers. 25%, 25%, even though the widths are different. The reason this one is so thin is the top 3 people are all age 30. So this one's so much wider because the bottom 3 people go 18, 22, and 22. So that's where the change happens. Each of these parts represents 3 people.